Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete user account in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar, and by here, please tap on settings. So the moment you've typed it, a best match should appear in this window. Click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Once you are here with the settings, please proceed at the left side of the screen where you can see a list of the options such as home, system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, and more. And since we're dealing with the removal or deleting of the user account, here in your Windows, then we need to proceed with this option called accounts. So the moment you bring up the accounts tab, you need to proceed with the account settings where you can see a list of options as well. And by here, you need to look for an option called other users. Click on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see all of the user account that you have logged in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So in order to remove a specific user account here in your Windows, all you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow aligning to that specific user account that you'd like to remove. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see or open two options, which are account options and account data. So aligning this account data, you would be able to see an option there called removed. So click on removed, and the moment you do that, before proceeding on the deleting of account and data, you need to read the statement first, which is deleting this person's account will remove all their data from this PC, including items on their desktop, downloads, documents, photos, music, and other files. If this data hasn't been backed up or saved to another location, such as another PC, it will be lost. So I would suggest, or I would recommend you to back up all the necessary files that you have, especially those important files that you have saved in this account. You can back it up into another PC, or you can use a hard drive or a USB flash drive to save that there. Okay, in order to back up or saved your downloads, the documents, the photos, even those important files that might be important to you. So I would suggest to remove that. Okay, I mean, before removing it, I would suggest to back up those important documents so that it won't be lost. Okay, so that you would still have the backup with those important downloads, the documents that you have saved using that specific account that you'd like to remove or delete with. Okay, once you have backed it up or saved, you can now proceed with the deleting of the account and data. Okay, or let's say if you don't have important documents or files that you had saved in your Macs, I mean in the specific account that you'd like to delete, you can select on delete account and data right away. So delete it, and the moment you do that, you'd be able to remove that specific user account here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. So by here, the next time that you've logged in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, you won't be able to log in that specific user account that you have recently removed here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.